Hi, work is well underway on my next Magna Rail animated model, which I think breaks new boundaries. But while I'm working on it, I thought I'd share with you how I carve polyurethane foam to create rockwork. There are loads of videos on YouTube showing the various techniques, and I hope you'll find mine useful and a bit different. This is what I end up with. Now, first you need to cut a block of foam to fit the location where you want to create the rock, and you carve it roughly to shape. Next comes the process that I've never seen anyone else do. You slash the foam with random incline cuts at the angle of the strata of the finished rock. You don't need to be precise about this, other than faithfully cutting at the same angle to the horizontal for every single cut. Now, this is the secret to the realistic effect you eventually achieve. Once you slash the foam all over, you can start picking away at the surface. And then make some detailed cuts, creating front facets and horizontal slabs. And once you're happy with the carving, you apply a thin layer of filler to the whole thing, working it well into the crevices with a very wet brush. Don't allow the filler to blend out the detail. Then all you have to do is paint it. Now, there are loads of excellent videos on YouTube showing how to use washes to colour rock. First, though, thoroughly wet the surface to ensure the wash isn't immediately soaked up by the plaster surface. Then I use a thin solution of black, followed by burnt umber. And then finally I apply some more concentrated burnt umber with a fine brush to add detail. And this is the finished result. I hope you like it and found this video useful.